from Big Brother and family?
Oh man, it was bad and good at the same time. It was good. We got some nice liquor, we got free liquor, so free liquor. And then party, I love the party, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I love this dance, you know, with local. It was amazing, man. Chase, you know, and horsing, all tight, you know, just all the tasks done, the sports, you know, the sport tasks. Was just, I mean, the sports, the winning immunity, you know, music, this is
Right.
my friends were like they also, you know, I didn't, this was in a sense, I wasn't a plan to get involved with local, and for me to go far in the game, you know what I mean? It was genuine, real, I like it because it's so sexy. Even if you don't take it to the next level, you be good friends, you know? I know they work the times where I miss her a lot, you know what I mean? And we talked about in the house, you know, and she was scared of me leaving, you know, leaving her. And I told her, right, if I get something out there, you know, we can sort things out and go from there. So, yeah. What's next for me? I'll probably be working in Cape Town, you know. I'll do some charity events. I also want to work with students around Cape Town. I can do something like, say, work with some production there, or just learn about entertainment industry, learn about the media and that, yeah.
Right, absolutely. It's lovely chatting with you. Thanks for.
Yeah, lovely Lexi, the segment. That's how
Soul and emotion I'm getting used to, so felt very overwhelmed last night, and came to the surprise to me that I've been leaving this time. Yes and no. I felt that my chance, the thing that I would say, with the game, they always twist their things. I wasn't ready to leave now, but someone had to leave, and it was actually no beef. It just happened. I think the housemates in the house, just through it all out of proportion. We didn't know each other, we still don't, and it was something that has just happened from whatever instinct I have, and we built on that. And I think as much as the show needed a bit of drama or a bit of spicing up, yes we did, and I would not put it out there for everyone to just do it irresponsibly. So it's your safety first, it's your health first, so that is the number one key, and I wouldn't want people to just do it. And it's all about responsibility and safety.
Thanks, Lexi.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you very much.